Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm just going through some emails I'm sending out for Bomber and Company, a company that I'm partnered up with. And I'm just sending out one of our monthly emails. We're doing like a sale where we're selling these travel kits, these travel bags, and we have like a 24-hour sale where we're dropping the price from $50 all the way down to $19 plus shipping. And I just wanted to make a video on the potential of social media marketing for email marketing. A lot of companies and brands, especially e-com brands, don't do email marketing, and there's a ton of money in email marketing, as well as there's a ton of money for email marketers that can come in and provide an email marketing service where they create emails for these companies every single week, every single month, and they send out emails on behalf of the company and they get a cut on behalf of the company. And it is as simple as that. Doing social media marketing with email marketing is way easier than trying to bring them leads, grow their accounts, and so just bring them sales. Like, email marketing is the best way to provide black and white results for your clients. So I'm going to show you Bomb and Company. This is sort of a tactical company that I'm currently partnered up with, and I run the email marketing as I run a few other things. And as you can see, in the past 3 months, we've made $10,000 in sales just from email marketing. That's $3,000 a month extra just from email marketing, which is a completely free source of traffic. So this video is also for those who are looking to grow a brand, or those who have e-com stores that aren't utilizing email marketing. Doing emails is a free extra stream of income. So I'm going to tell you a bit about this store, so it will give you a bit of like a background. Bomb Company, they launch all their products through Kickstarter. So for example, they launched their duffel bag through Kickstarter, made like 430 grand. They launched their B2 Nano Blade, they made 330 grand. They recently launched their Blitz knife, which made 90 grand. And email marketing is something they just do on the side on top. Most of their sales and traffic comes through Kickstarter. So I came in and offered to do email marketing, and what I do is every day I create emails like this and I send them out to the list. It's as simple as that, and I was able to drive an extra, $3,000 in sales a month. It is as simple as that. And like, you're looking to do simple, clean emails, and every email I get better and better. I aim to improve my emails every single launch. And what I do is, they have a list of 15,000 emails. I segment that list and I blast it segmentedly throughout the month. It's literally as easy as that. You create an email, you send it out to your list, and this is money being left on the table. I think the stats are that if someone has bought something from you once, the likelihood of them purchasing again is as high as 20%. To get them to convert on the first time, it's as low as like 2%. And it goes up to 20%. To get them to purchase the third time, it's like 40 to 50%. To get them to purchase a fourth time, it's like 70-80%. And the fifth sale is guaranteed. So what I do is I try to basically email these customers again and again and again, and build them all to a point where they're always coming back to purchase our items, and also they're always coming back to buy the new products that we launch. That's sort of my goal with this company and the email marketing I'm doing it. If you're a social media marketer, what you want to do is you want to find a bunch of e-com stores, brands, small brands. You're looking for those sort of mom and pop stores where they make the products, it's all handmade, or small companies where they're just starting up. So you want to go through Kickstarter and basically offer everyone an email marketing service. What you want to do is you want to show off all the emails you make, all the results you're able to bring in for previous clients, for your own stores. Basically tell them like, yo, let's do a revenue share. Every month I'll run your emails, I'll send out an email every single week, I'll push up your revenue, and I don't want to get paid at all. I only want a cut of how much I make you. And then eventually you can move up to the point where you have a monthly retainer of say $500 a month, $1,000 a month, and plus a revenue share of the extra revenue you're able to produce for that company. But yeah, this is literally what I've been doing. I just wanted to take you guys through the whole process, show you guys the email I'm working on, show you guys the company I'm working on with, and tell you guys the potential that email still has in today's day, as well as the potential of doing email marketing as a social media marketing agency. Like instead of do social media, close people for email marketing basically. And it is way simple. It's much more easier. You're able to bring the clients real results straight away. It's black and white. Like you send emails, you make X amount of money and you get a percent. Whereas like you sign someone up, you're promising them leads, you're promising them more sales, you're promising them more like growth, and like that's really not black and white, and you're gonna get dropped in 2-3 months, and that's much harder to sustain. Whereas email marketing, you're constantly bringing in sales every single email you launch, and you're using their existing email list. It's as simple as that. Now if you're looking for mentorship and you're looking to sort of grow a personal brand, you're looking to learn about ecom, you're looking to master dropshipping and Facebook ads, sign up for my mentorship application linked in the description below. If you want to work one-on-one with me, where I take you by the hand through everything you need to reach your goals, sign up for the application below. Other than that, I hope you guys like the video. Drop a comment below if you guys have any questions whatsoever. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.